Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make keto caramel sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of your preferred keto-friendly sweetener, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt the 1/2 cup of butter over medium heat. Once melted, stir in your 1/2 cup of keto sweetener until it's completely dissolved and combined with the butter. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to gently boil and thicken slightly. This creates the rich base for our caramel. Next, carefully pour in the 1/4 cup of heavy cream, stirring continuously until everything is smoothly incorporated. Be cautious as the mixture may bubble up. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add a pinch of salt. This step is crucial for balancing the sweetness and bringing out the deep, rich caramel flavor we're aiming for. Once your keto caramel sauce has cooled, transfer it to an airtight jar. It will thicken further as it chills. You can store this delicious sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, perfect for enjoying over various keto desserts or as a sweet treat. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, sugar-free caramel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.